Hello, dear students. I am Dr. Sanjay Pagar, Associate Professor, Department of Geography. Dear student, I welcome all of you in this online lecture series on behalf of Maratha Prasarak Samajas, KRT Arts, BH Commerce and AM Science, popularly known as KTHM College Nasik. Dear student, this is our MA MSc Geography Part First Class Semester Second and paper code is GGDT 130 and the title of our subject is Geography of Tourism. Dear student, in this lecture we are going to discuss our chapter number 3 or topic number 3, that is factor of tourism, and in this topic we have a subtopic that is physical factor. Dear student, this factor we are going to discuss in 2 or 3 parts. Today we have part number first. Dear student, you know that the activity of traveling to a place for pleasure is known as tourism. You know that tourism is nothing but a journey for pleasure or the fun is known as a tourism. And there are several physical or the geographical factor, social, economic factor, and historical factor that play a very important role in growth and development of tourism. Physical or the geographical factor are very important among all these factors that are very important to develop the tourism of any particular region. Dear student, let us see what are the factors that are affect on the development of the tourism. First, let us see the physical factor. It includes the relief and the basis of the height or the altitude. We can able to classify relief feature into the three categories, that is mountain, plateau, and plain, or also the coastal region. Rivers is also important. So attraction of the tourists, waterfall, lakes, glacier, forest, volcano. These are the physical factor, geographical factor that are attract the tourists on a large scale. If you see the socio-cultural factor, it includes the temple, fair and festival, tribal places, pilgrimage, old traditional places, dance and music, sports center. And when we are talking about the historical, especially historical factor, it includes the tombs, caves, doors and gates, forts and places, heritage places, and historical temple. And last but not the least, economic factor, because this factor is also very important, especially with related to the infrastructure or that basic facility that are required for the tourism development of any places. It includes the transportation network, market, banking, and other infrastructure that are very important to develop the tourism at a particular places. Let us talk about the detail about the physical factor or the geographical factor. Physiographically, land surface of the earth is divided into three units, namely mountains, plateau, and plains. In plain, we can also include the coastal region that are also very important attraction of the tourists. Each of them has a different impact on the tourism development. Let us talk about the relief feature and the mountains. Mountain is a landform that rises high above the surrounding terrain in a limited area. Mountains are higher and steeper than a hill. Generally, mountains are higher than 600 meter. Those less than 600 meter, then it is called as the hills. And here we are talking about the mountains. The mountains are the very important source of the attraction of the tourist. In the world, there are numbers of the mountain region that are the important attraction of the tourists. For example, we have the Alps in the Europe continent, then Rockies in USA, Himalaya in India. These are the important mountains or the mountain ranges. They are the important attraction of the tourist places of the tourists. Dear student, the tourists are attracted to mountain destination for the many reasons. It includes the climate, clean air, unique landscape, wildlife, scenic beauty, peak location, source of the various rivers, sunset and the sunrise point, hill station, snow covers, and the source of the glacier. These are the important attraction. Therefore, the tourists would like to visit these places again and again. The opportunity to experience snow and to participate in the snow-based or the nature-based related activity and sport is also important reason. That is why the tourists visit these places. Due to the higher elevation, the mountains have a cooler climate. In the tropical area, they provide ideal places of the tourists. You know that the most part of the tropical area is uh, flourish due to the tourism activity during the summer season. More than 50 million people visit mountain region each year as a tourist. This is a really very important statistical information that indicate that the mountains play a very important role in the development of the tourism. The many mountains towns around the world depend on the tourists for support them. So therefore, this is a very important attraction of the tourists at particular places. If you see some example, there are a lot of activities or a lot of the reason or a lot of the things that are responsible for attract the tourists in the mountain region. If you're talking about the adventure tourism, this is also very important part of the or the type of the tourism. In the special, I'm talking about the Himalaya region have too much opportunity to potential to develop the adventure tourism, and that is why the people, especially the tourists, those are interested in the adventure activity, they are visited these places again and again. Therefore, this is also very important reason. That is why the people attract toward the mountain region. Sunset and sunrise. If you want to see the sunset and sunrise, there are few points on the mountain region. From this site, we can able to see, watch sunset and sunrise very clearly. Very beautiful scenes we can observe from the top of the mountains or some part of the mountains. Therefore, the Darjeeling, Matheran, the Mahabaleshwar, these are the places they are famous due to this sunset and sunrise point, and that is why people would like to see such type of the beauty from the mountain region, and therefore they visited these places again and again. Another important summit, or you can say the peak. These are the places. They are always, you know, that each and every mountains have a summit or the peak. We have, for example, Kanchenjunga, Nanda Devi, Doda Betta. These are the points, these are the places where people go visit again and again to see the peak of that mountain, and from that peak location we can able to see bird view of the surrounding region that look like a very beautiful, and therefore the people visited these places again and again. Hill station is also important point. If you see the list of the hill station that we have in the world, you will observe that the most of the hill station famous, they are located along the coast, along the slope of the mountain region, or maybe at the top of the mountain region. Especially I'm talking about the Darjeeling, Nainital, Matheran, Mahabaleshwar, Uti, Simla. These are the places they famous due to their hill their mountain location and their station. And therefore, the special I'm talking about as a part of the medical tourism, you will observe that the most hill station of the world are become a major point or the major attraction of the medical tourism. And therefore, the patient in such a very cool and the climate, pleasant climate and the calm atmosphere and the very fresh air, therefore the patient are recover very quickly in such a places. Therefore, these places are very famous or main attraction of the this tourism. Dear student, one other thing, all the hill stations, especially I'm talking about in India, in the month of the summer, these places are flourish too much through the various tourism activity, because during that period this is a place where we can able to see a very cool climate, we can feel the very cool climate, beautiful nature, forest and valley. These things are the major point of the attraction, and therefore the people would like to visit these places, especially in the summer season. Some mountain region are the important places where we have the source of the various rivers. Especially I'm talking about the Himalaya. We have the Ganga, Brahmaputra, Indus. These are and various some other the small and the medium type of the rivers. The rivers, they have their source or the origin in the mountain region, and people would like to see such type of the source of the rivers, and therefore they visit these places again and again. In some part of the Himalaya, we have a snow cap region. That region is covered by the snow most part of the year, and therefore such places are also important attraction of the tourists, and tourists would like to visit such places. One other important things about if you're talking about the beauty of the forest, beauty of the mountain region, that is the beautiful forest. So some reason, for example, Darjeeling, Mussoorie, Simla, Ooty, these places are famous only due to their availability of the dense forest, and this scene or this nature is looking a very beautiful, and therefore the people would like to see such type the greenery, dense forest, and evergreen region of that places, and therefore people always visit to these places due to these mountains. This mountain, most part of this mountain, along the slope side, we have very dense forest, very beautiful forest, and therefore the people would like to see visit these places. Another important physical feature, when we are talking about the relief, on the basis of the relief altitude, we can classify the second region, that the plateau region. Dear student, the plateau region also important attraction of the tourists. What is plateau? Plateau is an elevated land with a flat top bound by steep slope on one or more side, is known as the plateau region. Plateau is also an important attraction of the tourists. For example, one very important famous example of Maharashtra, we have the Khas Plateau. It is located very close to Satara, near about the 25 kilometers from the Satara. Why it is famous? Due to its biodiversity and the variety of the flower. Due to this tourism, the people during last some few years, the people, especially I'm talking about the tourists, are attracted toward these places too much on a large scale each and every year, especially in the winter season. People visited these places again and again. Why? Because the beauty of the biodiversity of this region, the flower availability of this region, and therefore such type of the places really become a main attraction of the tourists. This plateau, the Khas Plateau, is a full of wildflower during the month of August and September, and the blooms last for about 2 or 3 weeks, and that is a peak point, a peak period of the tourists to visit these places. So these are the one important. There are numbers of the plateau region in the world. They have many attraction, many points that attract the tourists to visit to the places as a tourist, and therefore this was about the plateau region. Last, another important physical feature, that the physical region of the relief. On the basis of the relief, we have the plain or the coastal region. A plain is a broad area of the relatively flat land. The plains are one of the major landforms that attract the tourists. Dear student, you know that the coast is a strip of land that meets an ocean or sea. Coastal plain are the regional feature of low relief bounded seaward by the shore and the landward by the highland. Coastal areas are often cooler than the place islands. So on the hot day, people go to the beach or the cool off and swim in the sea water, and therefore this place, especially the coastal region or the region, those have a very very close to sea. That region also have famous for the tourist places due to their attraction. The many people enjoy relaxing the beach on the beach. Beach is a really important. If you see there are numbers of places in India, they are famous as a tourist places. Why? Because due to their beach location. We have the Goa, we have the Konkan coast, Kochi coast, Chennai coast. These are the places. They are a very famous spot, not only for the Indian tourists, but also it is main attraction of the international tourists. Each and every year, most of the people visited these places due to the beauty of this coastal region. The beaches, especially I'm talking about the beaches, the sea bath and the sunset, sunrise. These are the point we can observe from this location. And even the numbers of activity we can entertainment we can able to do on the coastal region. Therefore, dear student, the coastal region is a very important attraction of the people, and therefore this was about the physical feature. If we are talking about the another important physical feature, that is a geographical factor, that is the climate. It is also known as the pleasant weather. Dear student, you know that the pleasant climate encourages tourists to visit places in a large number. For the breath of the fresh, the climate, people are attracted to places which are cool and fresh, like a Mahabaleshwar, Simla, Mathera, Mysore, Nainital, Kulumana, Uti. These are the places. They are famous. Why they are famous? Only due to the climatical conditions, especially in the month of May, the numbers of the people visited these places again and again due to their cool climate and pleasant climate. Dear student, you know that the most of the hill station in India have a such pleasant weather which encourage tourism development. Especially I'm talking about the northern part of the Himalaya. We have numbers of the hill station, number of the tourist places. They are located at a high level, the high altitude. They have a very cool and pleasant climate. Fresh air is there, and people, especially tourists, would like to visit such places. So therefore, these are the important attraction of the tourists. In Himalaya, in India, in Himalaya, Nilgiri Mountains, we have the Aravalli Mountains are the famous tourist places due to their climatical condition, and such places really are important attraction of the tourists. The tourists would like to visit these places. This was about the today's lecture. Dear student, in next lecture we are going to discuss about the other physical or the geographical feature, how they are attract to tourists at their that places, that we are going to discuss in next lecture. Okay, thank you.